Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ULANZI D200 Stream Deck and I'm going to tell you how you can easily add every control that you want to. As you can see in our application, which is ULANZI Deck, which we have tutorial for it, how to download it on our channel, we have a lot of functions. For example, we can add multi-action, some buttons, pages, soundboard, system, Lightmaster, OBS Studio, etc. As you can see, we have a lot of things. And for example, I want to add website. Let's have a look. We just have to drag it to the place where we want to click on our Stream Deck. As you can see, it is here. Now we have this icon, and as you can see here, we have to type URL and title. So for example, URL will be HardReset. Let me just write it, because https://hardreset.info, and title website. And as you can see, automatically our Stream Deck got a fav icon here, and now just here. And as you can see, if we tap it on our Stream Deck, we can open our website. And not only that, this is only website button. Let's add some random one. For example, I want to for example, I don't know, create folder. As you can see, let's just drag it to the place where we want to, and title for our here. I will just write something, and here. Now if we tap it, we can see, not here. Let me close this application, and if we tap on our create folder button, we can see that we are now in our folder, created folder in our Stream Deck. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.